everyone, today we are going to discuss about topologies and network devices. To connect two network devices, we need a cable. This is called Cat5 cable and the transparent casing is called RJ45 connector. You can see that there are 8 wires inside the connector. This connector is in the other side of the cable also. If we want to connect two different devices, we can connect it directly. But if we want to connect two same devices, we have to change the position of the 8 wires. If we connect devices directly, it is called straight through. If we change the position of the wire, it is called crossover. Here you can see that the first wire should be connected to the third wire. The second wire should be connected to the sixth wire of the other side. The third wire should be connected to the first wire of the other side. The sixth wire should be connected to the second wire of the other side. Now, let's discuss about topologies. What is topology? The design of a network. The different kinds of topology are: the first one is bus. This goes in a straight line and is connected through a single cable. This reduces the speed because the first device should be gone to the last device through two devices. And if the wires are cut in between, the device cannot communicate with other devices. The next one is star. In this type of topology, all devices are connected to a single cable. If one cable is cut, then the signals will not pass and only that device cannot communicate. If that device is the important device, it is a disadvantage of star, so we move to the ring. It is a kind of topology where all devices are connected in a circle. If one cable is cut, then it has an alternate way to go. If two cables are down, then the signal will not pass, so we move to the mesh. It is a kind of topology where from each device many cables are connected, so that if one or two cables are cut, it has alternate ways to go. Next is hybrid. If we have the requirement of adding two topology, then we use hybrid topology. There are some networking devices. We are going to see about repeater, hub, switch and router. Repeater. Its work is to receive a signal and retransmit it so that the signal can cover long distances. In this you can see that A wants to talk with C, then A can say the message to B and B will say it to C. Here B acts as a repeater. Repeaters have only 2 ports, so we move to the hub with multiple ports. A hub can be used in star topology. It is a broadcasting device, which means if it gets any signal, it will send the signal to all possible hosts in the network. Hubs are best suited for small local area networks. There are 2 types of hubs, active hubs and passive hubs. Active hubs, it strengthens the signal and retransmits it. Passive hubs, it simply serves as a point of connectivity without any additional capabilities. It is broadcasting, so we move to switch. A switch also has multiple ports. A switch can check error before forwarding data. It is efficient as it does not send packet with errors and it sends only to correct ports. It can connect only local area networks, so we move to routers. Routers could connect local area networks and wide area networks together. Routers decide the routes on which they make decisions to forward the data packets. A router can have interfaces such as copper cables, fiber optics, or wireless transmission. Thank you.